可以了。
Hello everyone, this is Shirley from Refund. We are the Chinese professional manufacturer for LED polite for 12 years. So today, let me introduce you our new polite, new design. So this one, E26, Part 56. So later I will show you how to install this light into the can and show you how the light works. Okay, so now let me introduce you the parts of all the whole light. So this one, AC adapter, is IP68. Yeah, waterproof transformer. So for pole light, normally we use this one because it's waterproof and resume field. So this one, cable. So the cable, this one is 50 feet, about 30 meters. So normally for our standard light, we use 2 meters only. So if you need longer, then you can tell us. So this one is the can. It's stainless steel. So this one rubbering, and this one is glass lens. Face ring. So this is the band. So now we show you how to install this light into this can. Okay, attention for this band. We need to attention here. We need to let this one forward to the below, not up. Okay. Yeah, this is our new design. Okay, we will put it into this can. To screw it inside. It's very easy for installation. Yes, the rubbering and the glass lens. And this face ring. And then use this band to fix this lens. So here we need to fix this screw very strictly because this light is waterproof. So we need to use the machine to the professional machine to tighten it.
到这个地方剪掉一点，是吧？太长了。
没关系。
没事，
不用。
其实
现在就可以。
给它剪掉一点，这个地方太长了。美兰，你那个地方等一下。记得等一下介绍洗这个
对。
鞋。Okay.
Just now we already screw tight it already. Now we use the cable to connect the transformer. 3 cables. The green one is for ground. The black and white one for negative and positive. No different. So here. We show you how it works.
你咱们清楚，等你说，
So this light is the LED RGB light. Is 35 watts. We have 18 watts, 24 watts, and 35 watts for optional. So this one is 35 watts. It's RGB, so it can be for 16 light changing, colors changing. So now we show you the change. Blue. White, green, red. So the light, we have 3 ways for controlling this light. One is by switch control. Secondly, just by the remote controller. And third one is for the Wi-Fi control system. The Wi-Fi control system is 3-in-1 function. So 3-in-1. One is for a control panel. Another one is for remote controller. The third one is from the mobile phone Wi-Fi controlling. Okay, so wish you like our polite. Thank you.